Hi, it's Thembi, and I'm here to show you an arts-based toolkit for creating dynamic multimedia history projects. Today we'll focus on the Harlem Renaissance. This was a period between the 1920s and 1930s where an explosion of important work entered the canon of art and literature, specifically by Black Americans. For this video, we'll choose a primary source for a dramatic monologue. We'll focus on a transcript of an oral history recording, and then we'll create a natural dramatic arc and look at that first-person perspective. Our focus will be Archibald Motley. He lived from 1891 to 1981, and he was a key figure in the Harlem Renaissance. Here's some of his work. So as you can see here, the Smithsonian Archives of American Art happens to have this incredible oral history interview with Archibald Motley. He was a key figure in the Harlem Renaissance. So let's take a look at this. See the transcript? Right here is where I can read the entire interview, grab some text, and look at the possibilities for a dramatic monologue. So as you can see, I've taken a monologue, I call it, of Archibald from that primary source document. I took a big chunk of text that he said, where he tells a story about seeing a woman who he decided he wanted to paint, and then I decided I would turn that into a monologue. Then the next step is I put it into ChatGPT and I use this prompt. Take this monologue and number each line as in a Shakespearean play. And so what that does is gives you numbered lines of the exact same text, and now you can analyze that text with your students. You also have the option to create a response monologue to that monologue, either for yourself to use with your students or have your students create them, depending on the level and how much time you have. This one is from a quote-unquote Ida May, who we named and had her respond to that moment from her perspective. And so there you have it, a really fun and easy way to take a primary source document, analyze it, and then turn it into an arts-based demonstration of understanding. In the next video, we'll show you how you can create several monologues, several scenes, and then turn those monologues and scenes into an entire play for your students.